Welcome to the Documoto Application Suite Overview. In this video, we'll be going over the tenant admin view of users. The advantage to this view is we can see all users across the different organizations within your tenant. We can change the user's user group or organization and make edits to the user's information all within one window. If we perform the same actions in Organization Admin, we would have to open each organization for each user that we needed to edit. This can quickly become a lengthy project. Organization Admin, however, is the only way to create users within the web app. Let's begin with navigating to the Users menu. From the home page, we'll open the Admin menu and select Tenant Admin. Now that we have Tenant Admin open, on the left-hand side, we'll click Users to open the Users pane. While viewing this pane, we can filter by searching by first name, last name, username, email, user group, and organization. We also have the ability to filter A to Z or Z to A the first name, last name, username, organization, or enabled columns. Once we find the user we're looking for, we have options along the bottom of the screen that allow us to edit, enable, disable, add to user groups, or move to a different organization. With the user highlighted, we can click Edit to see that user's specific account information. Depending on business needs, we can fill out as much of the personal information as needed. For this video, we'll update the user with a new password. We'll click Change and be prompted to input and confirm a new password. Once inputted, we can click Save and the new password can now be used. The Tenant Admin user menu can help you maintain your user base without the need to search through individual organizations that make up your tenant. Thank you for watching.